This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, UiPath experts. Welcome to the UiPath.learner channel. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for comments. Nowadays, I'm seeing so many comments and so many response for this channel. So really, very, very thanks for your advices and your encouragement. Everything. Thank you very much. And today the concept here is so to extract any tabular format data. So we can use the what we do. So any tabular format data in the web, we are using the data scraping, right? So I use the data scraping only, but not particular table. Okay, it's not particular table. See, UiPath robot is running. That is a agent robot is running. So what I let me press. So before that, so I want to one see. I created one folder PO in any folder. Okay, PO or anything. Just create a folder like a UI learner. Okay, UI learner. So this is empty folder. Okay. So once you go to the any anything, so suppose for example this is a table, so I'm just pressing the control up arrow. That is a key I used. See here is the agent, it's running stage, and if you see whole thing, the monitor event is a control up event. Okay, once the control up event, this sequence and it is data scraping, everything will work. So I will explain how it works. Yeah, now I'm pressing Control F. First, we will see the results. It will go to the selection mode. Okay, so once I select anything, any table data, so I have to select the TD basically. So it will ask to see. It is asking to select the folder. I'm selecting the folder, the new folder, what we created just now, UI Learner, right? UI Learner. Click OK. Let's check the UI learner folder. There is a new file with the current date and time, minutes, seconds. It is coming. Let's open that. So you can see entire thing is a one data table. So whatever we selected just now, that is converted into the data table. It's not for the fixed data table, fixed website. So it is working for the any website. So let's go to the another. This is a number of cities. It has so many tables. So two tables are there. So let me press Control up arrow. It is going to the selection mode. So any TD, just select any TD. If I select the TD, so it is elaborating the TD to TR, TR to TB, TR to table, like that. So once it is elaborated, it will ask for, to select the folder. So I'm selecting the folder. See, now this is another one, 13, latest one. So it has all the data, city, ranks, these things. Okay, so within the page, within the web page, so when it is not fixed kind of thing, again you can understand, right? So it is not fixed kind of thing. So it will work for the anything. So see, this is a second table, right? Second table. This is a starts with the N F like that. So let me press a Control up arrow. So it will enter the selection mode. Any TD select TD, TR, and table data, table and it is asking for the selection. And now I am selecting the PO. So what is the PO? PO is empty, right? PO is empty. Let me select the PO. Okay, PO and OK. So you will get the new file called with the current date and time. So this is a starts with the C. This is the data we have in the website. This is the data. See, compare. This is the data we have in the SH ends with the SH. SH ends with the SH. And so one more thing, let me go to the another side. So this is a table data, HTML table, just HTML table. So just let me press the Control up arrow. So it is went to the selection mode. So I'm selecting the any one TD. So it will convert that TD, analyze. I ask for the store the Excel. So let me create a UI. UI learner has a two files up now. So let me create one more. This is the latest one, so you can see the time. So 10:15:49. So see, this is the data from the web. This is the data from the this web. So just go to the another thing. So it's not, no matter how many tables you have in that data, that mean web page, it will extract whatever the selected thing. Now it has a another thing. Got it? So this is the table. It is extracted just now. So first name, last name, age, these things. So if you have a, for example, let's take this one. So this one also, anything. It's not matter. It's a fixed thing. I'm selecting this one. So let us see. Is there any? Yeah, 10:16. See, and if you see the calendar, you have a calendar. See, this is each and every is a TD only. So let's create one more thing and select the one TD. Reselecting, and it is asking. So I'm giving the PO. PO is a folder. Let's check the PO folder. This is the latest one. All the data comes. So I think you understand, right? So how I did this one? Let me explain how I did. So see, it's a this is a agent process. So once I press the control up arrow, it will execute all the code which is there in the event handler. Once I expand the sequence, first sequence, it will allow you to the indicate on screen. So it will allow you to select the single element, any element. Now I am selecting the TD element. Okay. After that, it is highlighting the TD element, and it is getting the get ancestor. That is the ancestor of the TD is a TR, table row. Okay, so that table row is a, I'm passing the current TD, that is coming from the selected item. Current TD is a whichever I selected in the web page, and ancestor is selecting as a TRDT, that is output for this, and highlighting the same thing. TRDT I am highlighting just to understand. And after that, again one more get ancestor. The TRDT ancestor, that means table row ancestor is a table body. Okay, that's why I created the table body DT. That is the result of that ancestor, TR ancestor. Okay, after that, highlighting the same thing just to understand. And again, after table body, I'm highlighting again that get ancestor. That is a table, basically full table it will come. Okay, highlight the table, and here if you observe, so I'm splitting the. It will come the two, basically two tags. So currently we have two tags. These two tags and all, it will become like these two tags. First tag and second tag. First tag is a header of the tag, header of the window, that means title of the window and HTML window. Next one is the which table. See, you can observe the table ID index, and it automatically generates. We're not hard coding. So table 2. So in the page, you don't know which table, which is the index of the table. Say table column TD. Okay, this table has a separate name. Okay, like that. So this will give the two tags. One is a table tag, another one is a HTML tag, the window tag. So this is the output of this one. So output means the final output of the table tag. So the table tag I am splitting by using the greater than and less than, so that it will convert into the two things. So just I displayed these two things. So why I required these two things? I need the first one, HTML one tag, and another tag is for the table tag. Okay, for what? So I need this one for data scraping, basically. See, this is after that there is a data scraping. Expand the data scraping. It is an attached browser. You have to attach the browser. For the attached browser, I use the same splitted. This one means it will give the HTML tag, which window it has to attach. After that, there is a extract structured data activity is there. So for this also it's a selector. So I'm giving the second thing. So within the attached browser, so which table? So that browser may have a multiple tables. Okay, okay. So what is the table name? Otherwise, what is the table index? What is the table ID? So those things are all coming under the second part of the tag. Okay. So once we give, so it will give the result of the extract data table. So this extract data table before blindly storing. So I'm asking user to select the folder by using the select folder. The select folder it will give the folder name. So here right range folder name whatever. So we selected the UI learner folder from the desktop, right? UI learner full path and the date time dot now dot to string year month DDMM like that. Okay. The sheet name common. Okay, understand, that's it. So it's a very easy and dynamically you can select any table. So for example this will use, so for example you have a so many tables, different type of tables are there in the your websites. Okay, you want to extract, so it is very difficult to, so you can just it's like a attended kind of thing. So you, whenever you want that data table into the Excel, so you can just pick this one, so it will elaborate like a get ancestor to TDTR, get ancestor T body, get ancestor to table like that. Okay, thanks for watching. So you please subscribe my channel if you not yet subscribe, and share the videos so that so the remaining people knows about this. Thank you very much. Thanks for following this channel, and thanks for comments. So really very interesting comments, and also very helpful and encouraging comments for me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.